Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of the very well known Rolling Stones logo. So if you have your pencil all set, we will begin with drawing an oval. So this will be the area that we will work in. I will draw another oval right around there. We draw that oval here. Some of you might have guessed that that will be the tongue. Now we will just do this very quickly. So along this round shape that we had drawn, we just form a type of lemon. It's kind of a lemon. And we meet those at the top like a heart shape. And then we have to deal with the upper lip first, just along those lines, but so much down. You go that far, stop right there because we have to put in those teeth. I believe that there are 4. They're just white. And then the tongue, the remainder of the tongue runs right there. That is the section of the tongue. That is their huge tongue sticking out and going like so. And I think that's about it actually. We just take that off. And the way this is colored is just the white teeth, black lines. That portion is also black. And then I know that there are 2 points of glint white, and the remainder is all red. So ingenious logo, very famous and also very easy to do, but please make sure that this here, I have not aligned this properly, so I'm going to fix that because I do not want somebody watching to say that I left the case of accuracy unchecked. So that would be correct because that was the purpose of putting down that line, to make this thing as even as possible, and that will actually make for the logo. In fact, this one can even come further down and it would pretty much line up with the rest of, with the opposite half of the tongue, of the lip. So there we have it, quick Rolling Stones logo. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.